Hi guys, Sandy here with another Budget Beauty USA video. And today I have a fabfitfun summer 2021 unboxing for you. So we're going to jump right into it. And I bought some add-ons, so I'm going to show you those first. Okay, I haven't even looked at what I got. But I ordered this, this is called Flawless Darker. It's Fake Bake. And it's self-tan liquid. Auto Bronzonate Liquid. It says streak-free and easy application. Now, I did notice that this one came with an applicator. Here's the bottle. And this is 8 fluid ounces, I think. 6 fluid ounces. So it's a large bottle, and then you get the glove and the little sprayer that goes onto it and the applicator. So I'm going to try this and see how I like it. I'm kind of slow on getting my tan this year because our boat's got to be repaired. So I thought I'd try this to get me a head start on it. See how that works. But anyway, and I paid, I think it was $11 for this. And then the next thing I got was this African Botanics Shimmering Gold Oil. This is by African Botanics. But that's what it looks like. It's a, well, it doesn't tell you how many fluid ounces it is, but it's a large size little bottle of highlighter. So I thought that would be pretty cool. And then I ordered the brush and the applicator, the makeup applicator kit. And this is by Luxie Bronze and Glow Set, Rose Gold Collection. So you get 4 brushes and then 2 applicators. And I didn't pay much for this, I don't think. It was like $7, $8, something like that. And then I also picked up the, I don't think I bought this. I think this came in my package. So this, I don't know why this is out. It's Minted, is the name of it. And it's liquid lipstick. And it's in blood orange. And this is what, I should have showed it to you when I had it out. This is what the color it is. It's a little too brown for me, so I don't know. We're going to try it. And this is 5.7 milliliters. So I don't know. We'll try it though. And then for ordering over a certain amount of stuff, they gave me this Bausch & Lomb Lumify Bermutamine Tartrate. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. And what this is a from the eye care experts at Bausch & Lomb, just 1 drop works within a minute and lasts up to 8 hours to reduce redness. I got this for free. Alright, so let's get to the box now. We've done all the add-ons. Oops, sorry. Excuse me. Alright, and it came in a big box, as you can see. And the box was pretty. I mean, it's got palm trees on it. And women laying out. It's a cute box. And then I got some stickers. Summer 2021. And then we got the FabFitFun magazine. And I'm sure it has it tells you, you know, what you could have ordered. I guess. Yeah, it shows you what you, customizations. So let's get started on number 1. Alright, I picked on number 1 the, I think I got the towel. Yes, I did. I got the beach towel. It's by L Space Beach Towel. It's 68 inches long by 30 inches wide. And it retails, it just says tie-dye towel, Oh, they don't tell you what they retail for. That's kind of unusual. They've always told us before what the stuff retails for. Oh. No, one thing, it's hard to get into. Boy, it's a really good quality. Nice, and it's thick, but it's not too thick. But that's what it looks like. It's got the tie-dye on it. This is a huge towel, and it's got fringe on the end. I like that. I love a good beach towel. We have a boat, so this will come in handy for me. I will definitely use this. And it's not so heavy that when you go to put it in the dryer, it takes forever for it to dry. All right, now that's what I got from the first customization. All right, now customization number 2, I picked out the Draper and James. I got it in the plus size. Nightgown. So I was real happy with this. Let's see. This is just as cute as it can be. And it feels so good. It's so soft. Mine is in the extra, extra large to an extra, extra, extra large. Which I wear a 1X. But I like my nightgowns loose on me. So I picked that up. That is really pretty. And I can't get over how soft it is. It's really, really soft. All right, let me throw this paper out. And then we'll get on to the... Oh, my. Almost had a major disaster there just now. Are y'all still with me? Sorry. The end of my box hit the... it hit the camera. I'm so sorry. All right, for customization number 2... Let's see. Well, I thought I had also ordered the Business and Pleasure cooler bag, but I didn't get it, so I guess they didn't charge me. I'll have to go back and check. For customization number 3, I picked out the blue light blocking glasses in round eye brown turquoise. And these are by Nectar, established 2012, I think. I don't know how to read Roman numbers that well. But here's the blue light glasses. And I can really tell the difference when I put them on. It really does make a difference. It really does. Yeah. And those are really nice. They look good on too. They feel good. But when I'm on my computer, I'll remember to wear these. When I'm looking at my phone a lot, I'll wear them. All right. For customization number 4, I picked... I'm not sure what I picked. Oh, the Watermelon Burst Setting Spray by... Let me see who it's by. Ciate from London. But that's what it looks like. Let's spray it and see what it smells like. Oh, wow. It smells just like watermelon. Boy, it smells really good. It's not real strong. But that's what it looks like. And this is the box that it came in. I really like that. And it's a good size bottle. It's, 75 milliliters. 2.54 US fluid ounces. So that's it right there. All right. For customization number 5, I picked out the Soar clip-on self ring light. Now, I haven't Well, I can't get it out. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it comes with the batteries. So let's see how this works. I'm not really sure how it clips on. But we will find out here in a second. Because I'm definitely going to try it. And see if it even works. Oh, there you go. And I guess it just clips onto your phone like that. Because it's like a... And that's what it looks like. It's good and bright. All right, let's see if I can turn it off. There is a little switch. Where did I just find? Oh, right here on the very top. Oh. It has 3 different settings. 1, 2, and 3. It gets brighter. That's really nice. So, that'll definitely come in handy. Soar, Tech Elevated Clip-On Selfie Ring Light. Alright, for customization number 6. I picked out the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. And it says, we ignite your skin's most beautiful potential. Founded by dermatologist and pharmacist Dr. Howard Murad, we deliver skin wellness through our unique science of water and continue to innovate high-performance technologies and formulas so our products, like your skin, just keep getting better. Fast-acting treatment with a topical filler-like effect. Plump skin surface to minimize the look of lines and wrinkles after just one use. Formulated with collagen amino acids, this treatment smooths and visibly revolumizes skin, while winged kelp helps restore youthful firmness. Reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 2 hours. To use, AM, PM, massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. Dermatologist developed. And this is what it looks like. And it is 1 fluid ounce. So we're definitely going to try this and see how that works out. All right. And then and that was it. That was it. And then they gave me this hydration multiplier. 1 stick, multiply your hydration. It's an electrolyte drink mix. Now, I don't know what I got that for, but it was in here. Let me make sure there's nothing else. No. That's it. And, I mean, there's paperwork in here, but I'm sure you all get the same thing I do. But anyway, folks, that's my box for summer 2021. And if you like my videos, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more, please hit the subscribe button. And y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.